Leak, we have been told a lie about aging. For decades, doctors and magazines have repeated the same advice. If you want to stay healthy over 50, just go for a walk. Lee, now, don't get me wrong. Walking is great. It's good for your heart and it clears your mind. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Walking is not enough to stop your body from aging. Lee, walking does not preserve your muscle mass. It does not open your tight hips, and it certainly won't help you get back up if you fall down. In fact, many people who walk every single day still suffer from knee pain, back stiffness, and weak legs. Why? Because we have neglected the single most important movement pattern in the human body. Luckily today, we are saying goodbye to old age. I am going to show you the one specific movement highlighted in this image that science confirms can reverse stiffness, strengthen your pelvic floor, and restore the mobility you had in your 30 seconds. It's not a pill, and it's not a surgery. It is a movement you were born to do. Let's get started. Lick first, we need to understand why our bodies get stiff as we age. There is a biological process called sarcopenia. This is the age-related loss of muscle tissue. After age 30, if you aren't actively strengthening your muscles, you lose about 3 to 5% of your muscle mass every decade. Think of your body like a car. If you only ever drive it in first gear, which is what walking is, the engine gets rusty. You lose the ability to go fast or handle steep hills. Look at the diagram on your screen. This is your power center, your glutes, your quads, and your pelvic floor. In modern society, we sit in chairs, we sit in cars, and we sit on high toilets. This causes these muscles to effectively go to sleep. When these muscles weaken, your lower back takes all the pressure. That is why so many seniors have chronic back pain. It's not your back's fault, it's your weak hips. So what is the antidote? It is the deep squat. If you look at the blue zones, places like Okinawa or Sardinia where people live the longest, you will see people in their 80s and 90s resting in a deep squat while gardening or socializing. They don't need hip replacements because they use their hips every single day through a full range of motion. Lee squatting does 3 magical things. Number 1, it acts like WD-40 for your joints, pumping nutrient-rich fluid into your knees and hips. Number 2, it aids in digestion and elimination. And number 3, as the arrow in the thumbnail showed, it strengthens the pelvic floor, which is crucial for bladder control and core stability. Before we learn how to do it, we need to see where you are starting from. I want you to take a quick test with me. Find a sturdy chair. Sit in the middle of it. Now, cross your arms over your chest. I want you to try and stand up and then sit back down 5 times without using your hands. Was that hard? Did your knees wobble? Did you have to uncross your arms to push off your knees? If you struggle, that is okay. That is just feedback. It tells us that your power center needs some work. And that is exactly what we are going to fix right now. We are going to use a 3-level progression system. Please, do not force yourself into pain. Listen to your body. Let's start with level 1. Stand behind a sturdy chair and hold on to the backrest. Place your feet shoulder-width apart. Point your toes slightly outward. Now, pretend there is a chair behind you. Push your hips back and lower yourself down. Go as low as you comfortably can. Hold it. And now drive through your heels to stand back up. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Let's do this together. Down and up, down and up. Keep your chest proud. If level 1 was easy, let's move to level 2. Find a door frame in your house. Hold onto the frame with both hands. This removes the fear of falling. Now, using the frame for support, sink down lower. Try to get your hips below your knees. Breathe here. Allow your lower back to stretch. Since you are holding the frame, you can lean back slightly and keep your spine straight. This is excellent for mobility. And finally, level 3. This is our goal. squatting without support. If your heels lift off the ground, that's fine. You can put a book under your heels. The goal here isn't just to go up and down. It is to spend time in the position. We want to accumulate minutes here. 6 now. I need you to be careful. There are 3 mistakes that can hurt your knees. Mistake number 1, the knee cave. When you squat, do not let your knees collapse inward toward each other. Imagine you are pushing your knees out toward your pinky toes. This activates your glutes. Mistake number 2, rounding the back. Don't look down at your feet. Look straight ahead at the horizon. This keeps your chest up and your spine safe. Mistake number 3, rushing. This is not a race. The slower you go, the more muscle fibers you recruit. Slow is smooth, and smooth is fast. So here is the bottom line. Walking is great for your heart, but squatting is the fountain of youth for your muscles and joints. Have a challenge for you. For the next 30 days, I want you to commit to the 5-minute squat challenge. You don't have to do it all at once. Do 1 minute while brushing your teeth. Do 2 minutes while watching TV. Just accumulate 5 minutes of time in a squat position every day. If you do this, I promise you, in 30 days, walking upstairs will feel easier, your back will feel looser, and you will feel 10 years younger. If you accept this challenge, type I am in the comments below. I want to see how many of you are ready to take control of your health. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more longevity secrets. I'll see you in the next masterclass.